So this is the DJI Mic Mini. It's a really good product. So what do you get for under $100? You get a fantastic DJI product. They make drones, cameras, audio equipment, so you can't go wrong there. You get two mics and the transmitter. Let me show you what it looks like. The box is so nice. Okay, this is your charger box. You get the transmitter, which you put at the bottom of your phone. You get two microphones, one I'm wearing. Here's the other one. That's how that looks. You get, if you have wind noise, you get the socks you can put over the mic, right? Power cord. So what makes this especially special that I want to tell you about? It is that you can use the mics like right now. This is the transmitter. Normally you would put the transmitter in the bottom of your phone, okay? USB-C. But as you see, the transmitter is here in the case getting charged. So how does it still work? It's because I'm using Bluetooth. With the DJI, the mini mic minis, you can use Bluetooth or the transmitter. Of course, the transmitter is going to give you better sound. Yes, and that's what normally you would use. Put the transmitter on the bottom of your phone and use the two mics if you have two people or one mic. But if you don't have the transmitter set up, you can just use this on Bluetooth mode like I'm doing right now. Still works. The Hollyland, for example, is another company that makes really good mics, but you can't do that. So that's it. I'm Martin from Las Vegas. I'm a realtor. So talk to you again. See my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.